Hello students, now let us learn about the linked list. Yes, in the previous chapter I completed my queue. Yes, in that we learn about the simple queue, circular queue, then priority queue and DQ, and then we learn about the application of queue. Yes, and we also learn about the dynamic memory allocation and static memory allocation that we learn already. Yes, now let us learn the new topic, that is linked list. Still we here in the chapter, or we can say unit 2. Yes, we are not further move ahead in another chapter. Yes, still we are in the unit 2, and this one is the last topic of the unit 2. Yes, now let us learn what is the linked list. We can say basically linked list, it is a uh, wait, yes, I made one another side. Okay, okay, so this one. Yes, inside this we are going to learn what is the linked list, data structure, array versus linked list data structure, operation on the linked list, and types and application of the linked list. Inside the anything, first let us see the definition of the linked list. We can say a linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored in the contiguous memory location. The elements in a linked list are linked using the pointers, entity that point to the next element. Yes, or in a simple word, we can say a linked list consists of nodes where each node contains a data field and a reference link. Yes, to the next node in the list. So that is called as a linked list. नाउ सिंपल वर्ड के अंदर हम अगर अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं तो लिंक लिस्ट ऐसा लिस्ट है जिसके अंदर एक नोड दूसरे नोड से कनेक्ट होता है, और वी कैन से आपने मेमोरी के अंदर एक नोड बना दिया और वो नोड दूसरे नोड से कनेक्ट हो गया. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज अ लिंक लिस्ट. आप फिगर में देख सकते हो डेट वी हैव अ फर्स्ट head node and it will link to the node 1, that will link to the node 2, node 2 link with the node 3, node 3 link with the next node. So each and every node will contain the we can say information part and address of the next node. Yes, we can say node is divided into the two parts. First one, it will contain the information part. Information part means what? It can be a data or anything. Yes, data can be more. It can be a employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee code, address. All type of data can be contained inside one node, and one important second part is the address of the next node. So basically the particular node will contain the address of the next node, so node will be linked to the another node. So that type of thing is called as a link list. We can simple inside the simple way we can say it is a one kind of chain. Yes, in the real life example we can say it can be a train. Yes, inside the train what we can say, see that train have the engine, and engine are connected with the number of we can say uh, dabbas or like that. Yes, so engine are connected with the number of dabbas. Yes, so a whole train, we can say it is the base example, or it is a base real life example of the linked list. Yes, we can say head जो रहता है वो यानी कि engine जो रहता है वो एक डिब्बे के साथ कनेक्टेड रहता है, वन डिब्बा अनदर डिब्बे के साथ कनेक्टेड रहता है, एंड लाइक दिस. एंड व्हाट वी फाउंड एट द लास्ट, जो भी हमारा डिब्बा रहेगा या जो भी हमारा नोड रहेगा, डेट cross means what? It is a null value. So further we can say link are not available, or we can say we stop the link of the particular things at that particular node. So that is the, it will indicated by using the cross, or we can say it can be indicated by using the null in the programming language. Now we can say node consists of two parts that we previously seen. First one is the information part and second one is the data part. What the information part will contain, it can be that I previously seen that or previously told that it will contain the any kind of data like employee name, employee number, uh, employee code, employee salary, employee address. It can be any. Yes, and second part pointed to the next node. So a particular node is divided into the two part. Yes, and in the every linked list, first node is called as a head node, or we can say it can be called as a first node. Yes. Now let us see the difference between the array versus linked list, or we can say advantages of the linked list over the array. Yes, that let us see. In an array, it is a data structure that contains a collection of similar data type elements, whereas the linked list consider a non-primitive data structure contains a collection of unordered linked elements known as a node. Yes, simple word. Here we have same kind of data or same data type of element of data we have. Yes, for example, if we have a name of a character data type, then we only have the name of the array. Yes, inside the array we have only the names. If we have a array of the roll number, then we inside the list only we have a roll number, but inside the linked list we have a unordered elements. Yes, or we can say different kind of things or data types can be connected inside the linked list. Second comparison or difference, we can say in the array elements belong to the indexes. Yes, we can say array of 1, array of 2, yes, array of 3. So that is the we can say index inside the array. Yes, if you want to go to the fourth element, you can write the variable name and the index name or the location within the square bracket. Yes, so you can write a of 4. Yes, so you can directly access the linked list, array element, but inside the linked list we have to traverse to the node. Yes, we if we want the get the fourth element, then we have to traverse from the head node. Yes, and then we have to traverse the first node, because directly fourth node is not accessible here. Yes, so that we can say it is a disadvantage of the linked list and advantage of the array. Third one is the accessing an element. Yes, so in an array we can say it is fast because direct access is possible. Linked list takes the time because here we have a linear access is possible. Yes, so one by one access can be possible inside the linked list. Another one is the operation like insertion and deletion in array consume a lot of time. Yes, we can say we have to shift the elements, so it will take the time inside the array. On the other hand, we only just want to link the node to the another node. If we delete the element or we add one node inside the linked list, then we require the one step only or one link is required, so it is faster than the array. Array size is fixed size. Yes, it is a constant, but in a linked list we can say it is a dynamic and flexible. We can expand the size of the linked list, so that is the array advantage of the linked list. In array, memory is assigned during the compile time, while inside the linked list it can be allocated during the runtime. Elements are stored consecutively in the array, whereas it is stored randomly in a linked list. Yes, so we can say if you declare array of 20, then continuous block of memory are allocated inside the array, and inside the linked list we can say the memory allocation can be random. The requirement of the memory is less due to the actual data being stored within the index in the array. Yes, so that is the advantage. Inside the linked list, memory size require large because it can store the address of the next node, and like this we can say. In addition, memory utilization is inefficient in the array. यस, मेमोरी यूटिलाइज बराबर से नहीं हो पाता है एरे के अंदर, वेयर एज द इनसाइड द लिंक लिस्ट वी कैन एफिशिएंटली यूज द मेमोरी इनसाइड द linked list. So these are the advantage of the linked list over the array, or we can say comparison of the linked list versus array. Thank you.